I'm taking online classes. I'm taking online classes. I've got bruises on my arms. I've got bruises on my arms. I've got a leg cramp. I've got a leg cramp. I have a slim waist now. I have a slim waist now. He gives a bribe to his partner. He gives a bribe to his partner. I'm shivering. It's freezing cold. I'm shivering. It's freezing cold. I think something bit me. My arms are so itchy. I think something bit me. My arms are so itchy. We're registering our marriage next week. We're registering our marriage next week. She's suffering from cyberbullying. She's suffering from cyberbullying. I use eye drops every morning. I use eye drops every morning. The wind is so strong today. The wind is so strong today. A robber just stole her handbag. A robber just stole her handbag. I'm suffering from indigestion. I'm suffering from indigestion. My mind is all over the place. My mind is all over the place. I'm stressed out because of the deadline. I'm stressed out because of the deadline. My pregnant wife told me to quit smoking. My pregnant wife told me to quit smoking. They are addicted to smartphones. They are addicted to smartphones. I'm making progress every day. I'm making progress every day. I'm going shopping. There's a big sale today. I'm going shopping. There's a big sale today. Doctors are performing surgery right now. Doctors are performing surgery right now. Mom can't handle her noisy kids. Mom can't handle her noisy kids. I've got a nosebleed again. I've got a nosebleed again. She works in a warehouse, packing and sealing boxes. She works in a warehouse, packing and sealing boxes. My laptop caught a virus and keeps showing errors. My laptop caught a virus and keeps showing errors. He's photographing a famous actress. He's photographing a famous actress. She said, "Call me." She said, "Call me." I've got diarrhea. I've got diarrhea. I'm holding a huge gift in my hands. I'm holding a huge gift in my hands. People are judging her so hard. People are judging her so hard. He just won the lottery. He just won the lottery. I can't even look at the needle. I can't even look at the needle. I'm dyeing my hair at home. I'm dyeing my hair at home. She's mad at herself in the mirror. She's mad at herself in the mirror. We're like brothers. We're like brothers. I'm lost. I don't know where to go. I'm lost. I don't know where to go. I make money online. I make money online. I'm learning to love myself. I'm learning to love myself. I have friends from other countries. I have friends from other countries. I think I'm pregnant. I think I'm pregnant. There's a bald spot on the top of my head. There's a bald spot on the top of my head. She works at the front desk. She works at the front desk. I'm giving a presentation tomorrow. I'm giving a presentation tomorrow. He's bandaging her leg. He's bandaging her leg. I deliver packages for a living. I deliver packages for a living. Be careful. That wire can shock you. Be careful. That wire can shock you. This wine tastes amazing. This wine tastes amazing. That's enough candy for today. That's enough candy for today. Buckle your seatbelt before driving. Buckle your seatbelt before driving. Drink enough water every day. Drink enough water every day. I'm making tea. I'm making tea.